Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we are going to look at my sneak peek of my new catalog items. The catalog starts in January, so let's go ahead and see what we've got. We've got tons of stuff, so let us look, shall we? First things first, this is called the Enjoy the Adventure Memories and More pack. It comes with so much. It doesn't even say. I want to say like over 50, I believe, in different cards. What else do I have here? I also got the Enjoy the Adventure Memories and More envelopes, so you can take these and make them into cards. This will be a class that I'll be doing in the future. I also got this Something Fancy cling set. Look at those great words. Nice, right? It's got thank you, birthday, nothing fancy, just love. Just really nice, and it puts those two fonts together. This one is called Sending Support. Now, this is a celebration item, and with celebration, when you spend $50, you get to choose one item for free, and this is one of the items that I chose for free. And again, this is more sayings. Ones like, you got this, my shoulder is yours, alone shouldn't be one of them. Oh, there are so many ways you might feel right now, and then alone shouldn't be one of them. So it gives you like the front and then maybe the inside. It's okay not to feel okay was another one there. I'm going to save these guys. This one is a bundle. We'll be doing this bundle coming up. This is the Lucky Clover. It's St. Patrick's Day, good luck, sending love. And a little saying right here. And then the punch that will cut out that stamped image or just cardstock in general. I knew getting that would be okay because my son and daughter-in-law got married on March 17th. So this is another one I could not be without. That's the Watercolor World. If you know me, I love globes. I love maps. I love the United States. Like, I just love any type of geographical, I guess. So when I saw this, I knew I had to grab that. So this is the Watercolor World. And this is Something Fancy dies. So these are dies that go with the Something Fancy labels, I'm assuming there. Or not labels, but this one. Because I like to buy the bundles. And that is because you can save 10%. So here I go. And I thought that I had ordered some catalogs as well, but apparently I did not because I do not have them. Let's look at these Something Fancy dies. Oh yes, they are beautiful and fun there. So, and those will fit in the mini. Speaking of the mini, there is a, during celebration, there is going to be a great sign-up special. And so, I believe it begins January 3rd is when celebration starts. And I'll be opening this one up while I'm talking to you. But there is a couple different ways that you can sign up. And if you are on my newsletter, I will have that all out for you. And because I can't remember it offhand. But I know if you sign up for $99, it's, I believe, $175 that you get. Or there's another price, maybe it's $129. I'll put it across here if I'm not correct. And then you can get your $175, plus you can get one of these Stamp Cut and Emboss Machine minis. in either white or a new color, which is like a boho blue. So it's really pretty. If I could sign up just to get that blue one, I would. This is a set I knew I was going to get. Sometimes things just jump out at you and you're like, yep, I'm going to get that no matter how much it is. And that is called the Alphabet a la Mode dies. And you guys, look at these dies. Look at those letters and numbers and the ampersand. You guys know I love the ampersand. So that I knew I was going to get, and I'm super happy that I did. And then, so I got the celebration. So when you spend every $50 that you spend, you can choose a celebration item. And I already showed you one, but let me show you this one. It's called Thanks a Bunch. It's got some great little carrots on there and some sayings. There's no one quite like you. It looks like spring. Thanks a bunch. Love you a bunch. Everything's coming up carrots. So I thought that was really cute, especially for free. And then the other one I got is these adorable owls. And look how cute they are. So I thought that was really cute. And then the host set. So when you spend over $150, or you have a party of $150, you can purchase the host sets. So I got the host set, and this is called At the Pond, and it is this cute little frog. Isn't that cute? And it can stand on a log, and there's little flowers, dragonfly, all kinds of cute, fun stuff. So there's that one. You could also build your own little dragonfly here. And then color in the log. There's some water there. This is just a great little stamp set. So I got all of that. And now I'm going, where are my catalogs? Because I already sent catalogs out to those of you who purchased from me within the last year. So if you purchased over $25 within the last year, I automatically sent you a catalog with the new celebration in the spring mini. So I am excited about that. I'm looking at this and I did not order those catalogs. Bummer. Now I've got to place another item or another catalog order, but that's okay. I hope you guys are doing wonderful. And if you want any more information on the sign up special, I'd love to have you on my team. And if you are not yet subscribed, please click subscribe, because I will be using all of these products in a future video. And I will also be doing some card classes that we meet online on Zoom. And I would love to have you join me. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. I'll put all the information down below in the description. So if you need anything, just let me know. All right, have a wonderful day. Bye.